Paradoxical Sajid is not just a normal book. It's a mirror for the modern Islamic-minded people. Why bad things happens if Allah really merciful? These types of things are really described amazingly, and I think it's really helpful for those person who want to know about Quran perfectly. And the boy Sajid describe our Islamic beautifulness with his own hardest and a real life conversation. And then another topic that why this book is special. The language is simple but powerful. The questions are real and modern. The answers are logical, depending on science and our real life examples. That's the truth. And let's come to the topic that why you should read it. If you ever had any doubt about Islam, if ever anyone challenged your faith, and if you want to know about Islam and with a curious mind and open heart, then let's come to the conclusion that Paradoxical Sajid is not just a normal book. It's a mirror for the modern Islamic-minded people. And then I think we are living in a world full of fake things, full of fake ideas and misconception about Islam. So I suggest all the young youth to read this book, because if you read this book, you can know many things about Islam. But here's a thing, that you should understand the book by your heart. But if you don't understand the book by your heart, you cannot understand the main things and the main topic of this book. So I really suggest every young youth to read this book. And cause here's an imagination. Sajid is not a real person. He's an imagination person, but he describes all things perfectly. Then I want to suggest you some other books written by Arif Fajrs, like Sajid's Beauty and the Heaven and Beauty of Heaven also. Then thank you all for listening me, and hope have a nice day also. Assalamu alaikum.